Hello, Ahmed. I wanted to talk to you about the first question on your test. Um, when you're asked to find the point of intersection between the two lines, um, you're asked to find it using graphing. So you're trying to use a process called elimination in solving a system of equations here. But that is not what's being asked for in the first section of the test. We get to that in part C, where you do the algebra. But in section 1, it specifically asks you to graph it. Okay, so that's where the problem lies, is that when you are making your graph, each point that you put on a graph has two values, an x and a y value. And so there's an address for every point on a graph. For instance, if I graph the point 2, 4, it means start at the origin right at the center, and you would go over 2, up 4. And so 2, 4 would be this point right here. So it appears that what you've done is, first of all, you didn't solve the correction or the equation correctly. So the values that you got of point 4 and point 2 are not correct for the point of intersection. And then it appears that you tried to graph them both on the x-axis of your graph as individual points, and that's not what we do here. The actual point of intersection is the point 2, 3, so over 2 and up 3. That's where those lines should cross. When you're graphing the first equation, we have y equals 1/2 x plus 2. The y-intercept is the plus 2, and the 1/2 tells us to go up 1 and over 2, up 1 and over 2, and so on. So we end up with our straight line going through those points. Sorry, it's hard with the stylus, and it looks like I missed that third point a little bit. Now, with the other equation, if it's 3y equals negative 3 plus 6x, let's divide everything in that equation by 3. And if we rewrite this in mx plus b form, it makes it easier to graph. So let's do this graph in black. And we have a y-intercept of -1, that's this value, and a slope of 2 over 1, which is up 2 and over 1, up 2 and over 1, and you see that we collide at the point 2, 3, which is on both lines. I missed with the red line a little bit. It should have gone through that point right there. And so this point right here is your point of intersection, which is 2, 3. And that's how you need to approach the first question on the Unit 5 test.